everybody, my name is Maria. I'm going to be making cookies with you. Okay? So first you get melted butter. And I'm going to get some butter. That should be enough for now. If it's not enough, I'll add some more later. Okay, I'm going to put this in the microwave. And yes, it does fit. I'm going to put it in. And you're only going to put it in 10 seconds at a time because butter can make microwave explode. If it I don't want people to be dead because of a microwave on my video. So I opened it for 10 seconds. Is that melted? Yes. That is melted, but I'm going to put more butter in. That should be enough now. That should be melted. That should be enough. This is vanilla extract. That might have been a bit too much, but yeah, it works better with this. Don't use granulated, but if that's the only one you have, then use it. Probably won't need as much as me. So about 2. Wait, is that a teaspoon or is that a teaspoon? What is that called? It's this flour. This one's the best one. But just use whatever you have. Get it out. Okay. I'm gonna mix that up to see how that is so far. Yeah, it's gonna come together as one. They're gonna team up with each other. Mix that up to see how that is. Ta-da! Yes, and oh, this is out of date. Don't add too much, or else your cookie's gonna look like a cake. A bit more than that. No, that much. That's enough. Mix. Then we add salty salt. A counter on that. How many times I said salty salt? Okay, well, this is the consistency it should be. I don't know what that word means, but when it's ready, or a bit thicker than this. This stuff will be very greasy, so wash your hands after. Gonna be a bowl. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna make 2 cookies. Gonna make it into a bowl, not actually a bowl, but just something. So you're gonna get a plate, and you're gonna get baking paper. Okay. Press it down and aim for like 1/2 inch thick, maybe. Yeah, about that. And put it in for 1 minute to start. If it still looks a bit like cake, which mine probably will, then put it in for about 30 seconds more. Now you're going to open this, and it may look quite a lot like cake. They've stuck together, but I can cut those. So you're going to put it in for another 30 seconds if this happens. Okay. I'm going to put it in for another 30 seconds because it's still really squishy and it's just going to die. Okay. That should be ready. Also, it'll harden quite quickly. Here is the chocolate. That's what it looks like, by the way. And it's dark chocolate, you can use milk chocolate, you can use sprinkles, anything, just don't use raisins, they're disgusting in it. Oof. Big loud bangy noise. Okay, we're going to put these pieces in the cookies. They don't have to be perfect things. I'm making smiley face now. Smiley face. So these cookies, they're gonna go in the fridge. Oh, this stuff is moving now. Can I put it in there? I'm gonna leave them in for 1 or 2 minutes. So I've taken these out of the fridge and they're hard. See that? It's hard.
I'm gonna eat them. Ah.
Okay. Eat it, eat it. Is it good?